Ever wondered how highly skilled the makers are to produce hundreds of YouTube shorts quickly while maintaining a high level of engagement? The key is an efficient process made possible by potent AI technologies like Canva and ChatGPT. It is possible to create 1,000 monetizable shorts in less than 10 minutes, regardless of experience level. This is a very efficient way to grow your audience and increase money. I'll walk you through every stage of the process in this guide to help you maximize the potential of YouTube Shorts and rapidly expand your channel. The significance of YouTube Shorts. Understanding the why is crucial before delving into the how. YouTube Shorts are revolutionary for a number of reasons. Wide audience YouTube Shorts are accessible to a worldwide audience, and because they are designed to be easily consumed, short-form material has a higher chance of going viral. High engagement. When compared to conventional long-form material, shorts generate higher engagement rates. The brief, sharp structure captures viewers' attention from the start. Monetization potential. While the YouTube Shorts fund, views, and potential ad income methods are still ways for creators to monetize their work, the landscape is still changing. Moreover, shorter videos might serve as a springboard for longer, paid videos. Quick production. Shorts can be produced quickly with the appropriate methodology. This implies that you can create a ton of material and stick to a regular publication schedule. Let's get down to the main topic of this tutorial, which is how to use ChatGPT and Canva to create and post 1,000 shorts. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas for content. Generating a ton of content ideas is the first stage in making YouTube Shorts. Here's where ChatGPT really shines. You'll never run out of interesting, new topics to write about because the AI can come up with hundreds of ideas in a couple of seconds. Asking ChatGPT for suggestions. You should feed ChatGPT prompts to get a long list of possible short subjects when utilizing it. Here are some useful prompts. Come up with 100 concepts for motivational 15-second videos. Send me 50 fitness-related YouTube Shorts with a quick tip focus. Offer 100 concepts for relatable, entertaining YouTube Shorts. You may easily build up a library of short ideas with the mentioned questions. Presenting your ideas. It's time to refine the notions once ChatGPT has generated your list. Not every idea will work, so you should review them and choose the ones you think will best reach your target audience. By refining and enhancing the prompts, you may consistently generate more focused thoughts when using AI. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to write scripts. The next stage is to develop screenplays for each of your shorts now that you have 1,000 ideas. Once more, ChatGPT helps to streamline this portion of the procedure. ChatGPT can produce hundreds of 15 to 30-second scripts with just one prompt. Producing the screenplays. Here's an illustration of a useful prompt. Write a motivational 15-second script for YouTube Shorts with the theme, "Never give up." Continue in this manner with each of your 1,000 ideas. By customizing the prompt, you can even change the script's length, tone, or style. Bulk generating scripts is an option if you want to save even more time. For instance, use a challenge such as write 100 15-second motivational scripts for YouTube Shorts to instruct ChatGPT to produce 100 screenplays in a single session. Not only do you have the concepts now, but you can also copy and paste the scripts into your production in the works. Step 3. Using Canva for images and design. It's time to start working on the graphics after your scripts are complete. Here's where Canva gets useful. Canva has pre-made shorts templates that are ideal for rapidly producing highly qualified videos. Selecting a model. Go into Canva and type YouTube Shorts templates into the search bar. A variety of editable templates made especially for YouTube's vertical video format 9:16 ratio are available. Select a template that is appropriate for the tone of your material, be it amusing, educational, or inspirational. Making the templates your own. Once a template has been chosen, it will be altered to suit your script. You can easily add text, photos, and videos using Canva. To improve your images, you may also select from a variety of commercial and free extras, graphics, animations, stickers. Here's how to make mass changes to your Canva template. Text. Enter the scripts you created in ChatGPT into the Canva text boxes by copying and pasting them there. To maximize visual impact, divide the script into short, clearly readable sections. Images. Videos. Upload your own media or use Canva's stock images. To keep your viewers interested, you can even include dynamic movies or animated backgrounds. Branding. Make sure to include your logo, watermark, or a unified color palette in every short if you're trying to establish a recognizable brand. Bulk editing in Canva. You may produce and schedule large amounts of content using Canva's Pro version thanks to a function called Content Planner. Apply the same design components to many shorts at once with this tool to save time. For instance, you can give every script the same font style. Make sure every video has the same soundtrack. Give each short the identical outro, such as a call to action. Step 4. Get your shorts and export them. It's time to download your videos in bulk after you've edited them all. You can download several files at once in Canva in the format of your choice, MP4 for video. Since you're using shorts, be sure to export your files in high-resolution vertical format. Guarantee steady quality. Check your shorts for consistency with branding, tone, and design before exporting. Maintaining a unified style and aesthetic for all of your material will aid in increasing audience recognition. Step 5. Bulk upload and optimize on YouTube. The last step is to post your completed shorts to YouTube. You'll want to optimize the procedure if you're attempting to upload 1,000 videos in one go. Bulk uploading. You can post numerous videos at once with YouTube Studio. YouTube will process your videos simultaneously if you just drag-drop them into the upload box. Making the most of tags, titles, and descriptions for monetization and reach optimization is essential. Make sure your films are searchable and monetizable with these tips. Titles. Make sure your titles are keyword-rich and express the main idea of the video. Short and snappy names work well because shorts are only 15 to 60 seconds long. Descriptions. Compose a brief summary that includes keywords that are important to your material. By creating a template for your descriptions in advance and using it for every video, you may automate this process. Tags. Include pertinent tags to aid YouTube's algorithm in accurately classifying your material. Find the ideal tags for your topic by using tools like Vidiq or TubeBuddy. Arranging your brief schedule. The 1,000 videos to be posted over time, as opposed to all at once. The scheduling feature on YouTube might help you upload videos frequently without boring your viewers. Post multiple shorts every day to ensure that your content is updated. Step 6. The plan for monetization. It's time to concentrate on monetization now that your shorts are operational. While YouTube's standard AdSense is not yet fully applicable to shorts, you can still make money in other ways. The fund for YouTube Shorts. YouTube has unveiled the Shorts Fund, a $100 million fund that will be given to producers of attractive, viral videos. All you have to do to be considered for this is consistently publish and gain views. Bringing in long-form content. Visitors. Using your shorts to direct viewers to your longer paid content is another monetization tactic. Make sure your shorts contain call to actions that attract people to watch the entire videos on your channel. Sponsored content and affiliate marketing. If your shorts are niche-focused, you can also make money with affiliate marketing by including links in your descriptions or securing sponsorships. Simplifying the process of making YouTube shorts. Your YouTube short production time can be greatly shortened by using ChatGPT's content creation capabilities and Canva's design tools. You can create enough content to captivate your audience, stay current, and open up new revenue streams in just 10 minutes. Bulk creating 1,000 shorts is not only possible but also a productive approach to expand your channel and increase revenue if you have the appropriate plan in place. Creating YouTube shorts in bulk has never been simpler thanks to ChatGPT and Canva, two AI-powered tools. You can create a large volume of excellent content using this optimized method in a fraction of the time it would take to do it by hand. Success is mostly dependent on optimization, consistency, and a well-defined plan. Your audience and income can increase rapidly if you consistently publish interesting shorts, make your content search engine friendly, and take advantage of new monetization alternatives. Now that you know precisely how to produce 1,000 monetizable shorts in just 10 minutes, it's time to implement this plan and begin revolutionizing your YouTube channel right away. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos.